Hello everyone, today we are comparing the latest smartphones, the Redmi K90, OnePlus Ace and Motorola Edge 60 Neo. Let's see this poly video. First, compare the body features. All devices come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Redmi K90 comes with 6.59 inches AMOLED display. OnePlus Ace 6 comes with 6.83 inches LTPO AMOLED display, and the Motorola Edge 60 Neo comes with 6.36 inches LTPO POLED display. Hardware features. Redmi K90 and OnePlus Ace 6 are powered by the Snapdragon chipset, and the Motorola Edge 60 Neo comes with the MediaTek chipset. When it comes to the camera features, Redmi K90 and Motorola Edge 60 Neo comes with 3 rear cameras, and the OnePlus Ace 6 comes with 2 rear cameras. Let's compare the battery features. Next, compare the sound and other features. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.